Hey guys, I want to show you how to make squishies into taba squishies. So first get all of your mochis and then get a cup, fill it with water, then put your tapas in there. Well, try to play with it for a little. Then get a hand soap. I'm using my Bath and Body Works one. Dip it into the cup like that, and then like this. There, now you put this back. Now you mix it all around and play with it. Okay, then you mix it more. This thing smells so good. Oh yeah, but if your hand soap smells bad, add some perfume. 3 dabs of enough. Mine already smells good, but just giving y'all some. So mix it more. And then now take them out and spill the water in the sink. Now get your mochis and wipe off and hold them in your hand and wipe them off with the water. And you do put your cup to the side and then get your mochis in your hand and wet it with the water. Now get this and fill it with warm water. Let me get mine to warm water. Make your water to all the way hot. Yeah? Okay, now you get your cup, put your mochis in, and get dish soap. I got my dish soap. Use any kind of your dish soap. Just use a little. And then you don't even have to mix. Just do this a little and let it sit for 24 hours. Bye.